Begin by unbolting the carrier from the crossmember and the crossmember from the vehicle. With the exhaust supported, unbolt the hangers near the rear axle and slip it off of the hanger at the very back of the car. This car has an aftermarket exhaust, so your process may vary. Lower the exhaust down, and you can then pull the crossmember out. For the new carrier to fit, you will need to open up the two mounting holes on the crossmember to 9/16 of an inch. Use a step drill bit and place tape at your stopping point. Drill the two holes out from both directions, and we recommend adding paint to the newly exposed metal to prevent future rust. Back at the car, you can now cut the old driveshaft carrier off. Make a cut to each side of the carrier frame. Then cut the frame away from the bearing using a razor blade. Cut the remaining rubber rib hanging off the bearing until it's flush with the base layer of rubber, but keep the base layer of rubber intact. Clean up as needed. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. You can now mount your new carrier to the car. Start with the bottom half with the bushing in it and slide it upside down over the top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the top half up to meet it and connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. Flip the carrier right side up and rest the crossmember on top of the exhaust. To mount the crossmember to the carrier, start with the provided shoulder bolt, add a fender washer, an isolation damper facing up, one of the two metal spacers, slide it up through the crossmember, add another isolation damper facing down on top of the crossmember, and a small gold washer on the very top. Thread it into the bottom of the carrier and repeat these steps on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper facing up, one of the metal spacers, up through the crossmember, another damper facing down, and small washer on the very top. Thread both bolts into the carrier, then secure the crossmember back to the car. Torque the two carrier mounting bolts, reinstall your exhaust, and your installation is complete.